Today we're going to be ranking different fitness categories on a tier list. I figured I'd start with a very controversial one right off the bat, and that is CrossFit. You either love or hate CrossFit, and I think most people hate CrossFit. It's notorious for the kipping pull-ups, which are an iconic and infamous exercise, if you want to call it that. It's basically just like it's a horrible version of a pull-up. And they're also known for being like really injury prone, especially the like official games. They never plan it out properly, and they're trying to like make heavy weight lifting, like Olympic weightlifting, but they're trying to do it as fast as possible, which is not smart. If you're lifting heavy, you should be slow and controlled.